Guys, so today's video we're practicing a wall hop. So I'm gonna do it right here and I can't. So guys, I'm gonna do it right here and I can't do it. So I'm gonna use a shift lock. So let's go. I'm gonna try it like this and shift lock. So I can do it. And I'm gonna do it. Wow, I almost made it. Damn, I'm so close. I'm gonna do it again. So, I can do it right now, but I'm gonna do it later. So, let's go. Yes, sir, I do it. Let's go, bro. Let's go. So, next one is I'm gonna do it right there. Let's go. So, let's go, guys. So I'm gonna do it now. So I can't, so I'm gonna do it here. So I almost made him. So let's go here now. Damn. Oh damn, I failed, bro. So let's go to the another one and I'm gonna try it again here. So let's go. Probably I'm gonna put in this video. So guys, comment what I should upload the video next comment. Watch till the end, guys. Don't skip it. Don't skip it, guys. So, guys, I'm gonna do it right now. So, yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm probably gonna do it. I'm doing it right now. So let's go. I'm almost there. No, not fail. Oh no, I fell. So let's go. Almost there. So let's go. Yes, sir.